You guys have made it to topic 3. So we're on S.9 Solve equations to complete the solution. So you would click this and it would open and you would see something like this. So for these set of problems, they've solved one side and they're giving you the steps to find whatever the missing term is or the variable for each equation. So for our first equation, it says 5a plus 5 equals 5. Remember, when they're squished up next to each other like that, it means multiplication. So I could also read this 5 times a number plus 5 equals 5. So their first step was subtract 5 from both sides. So they've subtracted 5 for you. So now they have 5a left on this side. I need to do the left side. So 5 minus 5 would be 0. So that's what my first answer is. Then they divide both sides by 5 because they're undoing the operations. So if they divided 5a by 5, they would have a left. If I divide 0 by 5, that's just going to be 0. Submit. Boom. So I'm going to do like we did the last time and jump up a level. So our next one is a little bit more challenging. So this one has 4 times a number plus 2 is equal to 12. Their first step this time is to divide both sides by 4 to get rid of this multiplication. The undoing or the opposite would be to divide both sides by 4. So if I'm going to divide 12 by 4, I'm going to actually use my pen and do this one. So if I have 12 divided by 4, that's going to give me 3. So now I'm going to click back and put 3 in my box. And then it says subtract 2 from both sides. 3 minus 2 would leave me with 1. And that's how you would solve these type of questions. So they're doing the left side, you're doing the right side to get your answers for the fill in the blanks. If you have any questions, come find me on live.